We welcome all respected guests to Utkarsh 2014.
They say good becomes best in the hands of right leadership. We thank all the right leaders for joining us in this prestigious event of Progress Utkarsh 2014. Hey Sachin, what's this BNI all about?
BNI is the world's largest referral organization which believes in givers philosophy. Can you guess how much business has happened between BNI members world over?
Let me guess. It must be somewhere around 1,000 crore?
You are not even close. Listen to this. Members of BNI last year passed over 5.4 million referrals, and this translated into $6.5 billion in business done between the members. In India, members passed 2,71,600 referrals, and this translated into business over 900 crores done among BNI members.
What is this Utkarsh all about?
Utkarsh, the word itself means progress. And BNI is all about progress in every sphere of our lives. Progress which has come to us through this gathering of all our well-wishers.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give our principal sponsor,
The Kids Clinic.
a big hand. They have been instrumental in making this event possible.
What we are trying to say here is that our real patient is the parent itself. And if you answer all the mother's questions and queries, you will own that patient, that parent for life. Why not try to create a positive association, a positive classical conditioning on the way a kid would associate himself or herself with the doctor. And therefore we say, let's give them an atmosphere, a platform where they can not only go for the medication purposes, but later on have good time there. So the doctor gets enough time to spend with the mother while the kid is playing in the play area. That's it. Thank you very much.
Moving forward, now I would like to invite a man who has been instrumental in developing Mumbai East region for BNI. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome
Gopur Raman.
Guests for today who have come to Utkarsh, team members of BNI Energy. I'm here to explain to you how BNI works. In the year 2013, we generated $6.5 billion of business, which is equivalent to more than 40,000 crores. Now, how does this happen? In every BNI chapter, there are at least 5 power teams, which are from different industry sectors and targeting different target markets. So in BNI Energy, to be more specific, we have currently 4 power teams which are in operation. You will be soon seeing members from each power team coming up and give us a short presentation about what they do and how they work together. You would all have a sheet in front of you which says a feedback form. And there it's listed out the name of the member, what business service or name they go by, or which power team they belong to. Now, if you do have any requirement for a particular business person, any vendor you want to get enlisted, you can use this feedback form. So you can see that first power team is property and interiors. And in property and interiors, we have air conditioning, roofing solutions, AV sound, commercial interior designer, residential interior designers, firefighting equipment, UPS inverter, and also residential builder. And in the second power team, you can see, which is HR and marketing. There are people from health insurance, offset printers, payroll solution guys. The third business power team is called business owners. They are basically targeting small business owners or small medium enterprises. So you can see that there is a chartered accountant, financial planner, life insurance, lawyer, stockbroker, mutual fund expert, franchisee distribution, which is TKC, pediatric clinics, corporate trainer, business finance. And the last power team they have in BNI Energy is called IT and Telecom. And I am told this is the most effective and profit-making power team that they have. So you can see that there's a computer network guy, there is multimedia productions, there is software development, web designing, ERP consultant, and wide area networks and cloud computing. So they interact together, they go to common clients, which we call as power dates, and that's how business is generated. I hope you understood how this works, and you will be able to identify who you would like to work with and give us a feedback on that. Thank you very much.
Can I have all the Team Energy members to stand up, please? 3, 2, 1. Thank you!
Team Energy has really put in a lot of effort in the last 2 or 3 months working towards this. The best thing I like about this event was that the people who mattered came.
It was a fantastic experience. I think the entire setup was good. The environment was electrifying, and most important, the spirit was a very collaborative spirit, a good teamwork, and keep it up.
I think in my view the event was a huge success, and I suppose this will be the forerunner to many more such events.
There have been quality visitors who have been stayed through the entire session. I'm sure there are going to be big businesses coming up here, considering the fact that we have had quality level of chief executive officers, CXOs coming in here. So it's all 3 cheers for BNI Energy, 3 cheers.
Utkarsh 2015 will rock.